Eddie Bears.
Eddie, can you say Dada? Can you say Mama?
Mama.
Can you say Dada?
Say Dada. You say duck.
Can I say duck too?
Can you help her say duck? Say duck, Eddie.
Say duck, Eddie. Duck.
Yeah! Good
Elise,
job, Elise.
have her say Dada.
Dada.
Oh.
I want to say
Oh, okay, you do it.
Dada. Say Dada, Eddie. Say Dada. Say Dada.
Elise, Eddie, can you say Dada?
Eddie, can you say Dada?
Oh, kisses. She wants a kiss.
Every time she gives me kisses when I sleep.
You're right. When she wakes you up, she gives you kisses. Whoa. Whoa is right. Whoa. 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 Oh.
Okay.
So bye.
Say bye-bye. Elise, say bye-bye.
Bye.
How do you say bye-bye?
Bye.
There you go. Good work. Yeah.